Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated on Valorant. So basically, when this problem occurred, we need to try a couple of steps in order to fix this. And the simplest one is verifying the game file's integrity. Now to do that, you can just head over to the settings of your account, and from here you then want to click on the repair button. Now, if that didn't work, you can then try to restart your computer and right after update or graphics drivers. So there's three major brands when using graphics card. We have Nvidia, Intel, and AMD. To check your graphics card, just head over to the task manager, click on performance, and from here we then have the ability to see our graphics card. So just click on it and basically you will see your graphics card right here. Now we then have to simply go ahead and type Nvidia drivers. Now if you're using AMD, just type AMD drivers, but in my case I'm using an Nvidia graphics card. And basically from there you then want to select the right product or model. In my case I'm using the 3060 Ti. Now basically just download the files from this website and you have successfully installed or updated your graphics drivers. Now from there, if still the problem persists, the only thing that we need to do is to go ahead and basically reinstall and install a fresh copy of Valorant into our system. So basically just go ahead and search for add or remove programs, search for Valorant, and from there you will be able to simply uninstall the game itself and install a fresh copy. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.